Hello, okay, here we are at GoDaddy.com again, and as promised in the last video, this is where things start to get really exciting because we're going to upload some software that will allow you to add posts, pages, video, photographs and text to your website. This software is called WordPress and is absolutely free. All we need to do now is press the My Accounts button. Look at the section that says My Products and press Hosting because we're going to go into our hosting account. This is my account, so it will show you my hosting accounts, which are here. Richard Mark Reed is my main hosting account. Yours will be the name that you've called your website, but we're going to be hosting Chris's site on my hosting account, so we'll go into that. And all we're interested in the hosting dashboard is the applications section, and in fact the first application, WordPress. So click on that. Here's the application here, and GoDaddy is asking us to confirm installation, so that's what we're going to do. Press the Install Now button. Then, because it's my account, it's going to give me a list of my domains and ask me which one I want to install WordPress on. You will only have one, so click that. I'm going to click evolution666training.com because that's the one I want it on, and then I'm going to press Next. Now GoDaddy is going to go through a bit of technical stuff, setting up a database. We don't need to know anything about this apart from we will need to create and verify a password. So choose a password. It needs to be between 7 and 14 characters long, and it must contain at least one lowercase, one uppercase and one number. So I'm going to enter my password. And enter it again to verify it. And then press the next button. It says to me the passwords do not match. Of course, that's the whole idea, they must match. So I'm going to type that in again. Okay, that's good. So now it's saying, where do I want to install WordPress? Onto my domain name. Again, you don't really need to know much about this. It's suggesting a folder called WordPress, but I'm going to take that out and I'm going to just install it on the domain name itself, which is often called the root directory, which is what it's saying here. Okay, so we're going to install it there. Press Next. Now here it's going to ask you an admin name. So when you sign on to your website to upload content to it, you will need to type in this name and an admin password. So it's important that you remember this. So I'm just going to put down Chris and an admin password. And I'm going to verify it in the next field. Then I'm going to put a email address, which I'm just going to use mine for now, but I will change it to Chris's later. More fingers and thumbs today, but that's it, that's my email address. And I'm just going to put a blog title in here, which I'm going to call Evolution Training. Okay, and then I'm going to press Finish. Right, GoDaddy's now starting the process, and it's saying your installation request for WordPress has been submitted. Depending on your application may require additional steps to complete the setup. View the status of your application install request by navigating to My Applications page. Okay, so what we can do is return to My Applications, and here we can see that under WordPress it says creating database, which means that GoDaddy has actually begun and is continuing to install the software that we call WordPress. And what we'll do is we'll leave it a few minutes and then we'll return and just check that the installation has been done correctly, and I'll show you how to do that, and I'll also show you how to put the site live onto the internet in video 5. So I'll see you in video 5.